How to hide likes of a particular Instagram post. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can hide likes of an Instagram post. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch your Instagram application by tapping onto the app icon, and now you can see that we are inside Instagram. Now from here you will need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and this will lead you to your profile section. Now from here you can find all of the photos that you have already posted on Instagram. If it does not, keep refreshing and it will do so. So now here you can see that this is an image that I have posted, and I want to hide the likes of this. So that I can do so by simply tapping onto these three dots present at the top right of this image, and then from here I have this option that says hide like count. So simply click on hide like count, and now you will see a message that says like count hidden. So that's how easily you can hide the like counter of this particular image. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.